Hello dear all, welcome to our channel Smart Indian Model School. Smart Indian Model School present Smart Indian EduFun classes. EduFun online classes includes course studies of playgroup to class 12, emotional and communication skills, happiness classes and DIY activities.
Good morning बच्चों, I welcome you all again to your maths class. Today we are starting factorization, and in this factorization we are using example 24. This example is based on identity which we studied in our previous class. I'm gonna write down the question what is given in example 24. 8x cube plus 27y cube plus 36 x square y plus 54 xy square. This expansion is given and you have to convert it in factorization form, means you have to convert in multiplication form. So we are gonna factorize it. As you can see that this is given 8x cube. We can write 8x cube as whole cube of 2x. You know why? Because when we multiply 2 into 2 into 2, when we multiply 2 3 times with itself, we get 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. And when we multiply x into x into x, we get x exponent 3, means x cube. It means 8x cube can be written in the form of 2x and its whole cube. So now बच्चा लोग tell me what will be the whole cube of 27y cube. Tell me. You have 5 seconds to think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Time is up. The whole cube of 27y cube is 3y and its whole cube. We can write down 27y cube as whole cube of 3y. When we multiply 3 times to itself, we get 27, as 3 3s are 9 and 9 3s are 27. 3 times 3 3s are 9 and 9 3s are 27. So 27y cube can be written as whole cube of 3y. Now let's talk about 36x square y. 36x square y we need to convert in factorization form. So what can be the factors of 36? Factorize them. This is 36. We can divide it by 2, as 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. We can write it as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 and x square y plus 54xy square. So what will be the factors of 54? Here is 54. You have 10 seconds to find out the factorized form of 54. Your time start now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9.5. Now 10. Your time is over. Let's check out who did well. 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. बच्चे लोग, we don't have enough space here, so we will write down the last term here as 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 and then xy square. So what will be the next step of this step? As you know that we need to convert it factorization form, so we will solve it. We will write down 2x cube as it is given, 3y and its whole cube plus. Now look at these two terms. Can we take out some common numbers from these? Yes, we can. This 2 can be taken out as common factor. This 3 and this 3 also. This one 3 and this one 3 also can be taken out as common factor. So 2 into 3 into 3 can be taken out as common factor. So what will be the rest things in bracket? This one 2, and of course x and y can also be taken out as common factor, so we will take them out also, x and y. Here is x square, but here is only x, so we will take out only x. Here is y and here is y square, but we can take out only y. So we took out x and y as common factor. Now this one 2, 1x, because here is x square and we took out only x as common factor, so x will remain as it is. Then the sign of plus. Now this 2 has been taken out, this 3 also has been taken out, this one 3 has been also taken out, but this is an extra 3, so we will write down 3 here, and x has been taken out, 1y also has been taken out, so 1y is the remaining part. Here is our bracket. Now what you are seeing, what you are observing from here, this is written 2 into 3 into 3 xy and 2x plus 3y. As you can see that this one is x cube, this is y cube, and this is some kind of term, but you are not recognizing it. So let's solve it also, so that you can understand it, recognize it easily. So we are moving on to the next step. We will write down 2x cube as it is, 3y and its whole cube as it is. Now we can arrange it as, first of all we will write down 3, then we will write down 2x, this one 2 and this one x, 2x in bracket, and 3y, this one 3 and this one y in bracket, and the last 3 have been written here, and in the last 2x plus 3y bracket. So what you are observing from here, of course you must be thinking that it is some kind of identity. We have studied x cube plus y cube plus 3xy bracket x plus y. Of course it is the expansion of x plus y and its whole cube term. It is a cube, it is b cube, it is 3ab bracket a plus b. So what is the expansion of this term? The expansion of this term is whole square of a plus b, means we need to write down what is the value of a here. The value of a is 2x and the value of b is 3y, and we will put square on it. So the given question is the expansion of whole cube, not square. I am extremely sorry bachcho. This is the expansion of whole cube of a plus b. So this is the expansion of 2x plus 3y and its whole cube. The whole cube of 2x plus 3y. 2x plus 3y and its whole cube can be written as 3 times 2x plus 3y, 2x plus 3y and 2x plus 3y. So these 3 brackets are in multiplication form, means we have factorized it. This is the factorizational form of our given question. I hope you have understood it. But still, if you have any doubt, bachcho, you need to just recognize this factorization from your first 2 things, a cube plus b cube. It means the remaining terms will be the rest of the terms of expansion of whole cube of a plus b, means whole cube of 2x plus 3y.
यदि आपको हमारा वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो आगे की वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन प्राप्त करने के लिए कृपया बेल बटन दबाएं और चैनल सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। प्लीज सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल of EduFun classes. Thank you for watching.